owned a daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Opie's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to get to know their grandkids, but a lot of people are commenting saying that Opie's parents were probably wanting to see the kids first, to do a skin color check before getting involved in their lives. Now, regardless if that's their intentions or not, listen, in the end, I'm glad Opie protected her kids from the racist grandparents. Like, it's gotta be so hard to find out that your parents don't have the character that you assumed.
Once you get past that, Gators lays on the outbound side, they go from
oh my god. Ah!
Right down to 1 lane, and that makes for rough travel, about an hour and 30 minutes nearly coming in from I-80 as it stands. You got the 1 lane that starts at
Stupid fuck!
47 on up, to Allstead. Outbound side is heavy on the day Ryan, 227 for the same reason.
Yeah, you okay?
You have I-80 problems on the westbound side from US 3, they definitely all to the river there. Just explain to you what that is. There aren't a lot of others around. You're down to 1 lane, and you probably need to try US 30, try US 6. Those are okay options. They're the best we can do for you. That's the best we can do because those are the main thoroughfares to get over the river. That's not going to be an obstacle here. How about there, Ryan? We have an obstacle. That's the outbound Stevenson ramp. That is blocked. You can go on the inbound side and turn around there to keep driving and head out that way, and then you know all the traffic pretty much if you're on the outbound Stevenson from
There was a pretty serious car accident on La Brea, right north of Stalker.
Holy shit!
Wait, does this like insane?
Sorry?
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. That's not your fault. Yeah, are they okay?
Oh, that was a bad one.
That was a bad one.
Start.
Monorays are made of precious metals. Luxury is a state of mind, the way you live, and you can find it at any moment if you just know where to look. Because luxury is where you are.